Here we are on another RTU change out, disconnecting the electrical control wiring, drain line, and freeing the unit from the existing curb so we can lift it off with the crane. With the old unit out of the way, we're prepping the curb with gasket material so we can install the curb adapter that is required for the new unit. Now we have to anchor the curb adapter in place and more gasket material around the top of the curb adapter so we can fly the new unit into place. Now all that's left is to reconnect everything we disconnected before.